देख रजत को बुलाऊंगा। रजत का है।
Is Janardhanan sir joined?
रजत क्या हाल
Hello,
है?
Janardhanan sir.
हाँ
Hello.
कौन होंगे? चुप चुप हो जाओ।
राम सारा ना
Hello.
चुप हो दे।
Janardhanan sir.
के चुप को नहीं होंदा तो
कौन
तू
देख
खाटे
हैं
खाटा
रुक
बोलता
जे
बड़ा। आहो डट जदा मैं
ओ जमा सिक्का भी बन सकते हमने।
आहो
तमिल हाउ आर यू
क्लास यार ये हो गया।
मौका भी लगे बेटे रिंग आवाज
कौन पीवा का कौन सा पीवा क्लास मौका
Hello, Janardhanan sir. Can you hear me? I have made you co-host. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Is it audible?
Hello. Janardhan sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Is it audible?
I have made you co-host. You can carry on your meeting. Kindly open your video. Your screen
yes.
is already shared. Your video is already shared. Okay, you can start
Yes,
class.
sir. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you. Good evening to one and all. I hope all our trainees listening this class. First of all, I'd like to thank Ministry of Skill Development and DGT, our DG Madam, and Dingra sir, who has taken a lot of steps making this Zoom webinar successful. He has been working on this for past 6 months. With the webinar was inaugurated by our then DG Rajesh Agarwal. Since then, he was fighting to get roll out this webinar as a bill. Is being trying to get more folks now. I hope more folks are coming on. Let me start our virtual class today. Today's topic is instructional technology and facilitated management. I hope my audio is audible. What is
Yes, sir, you are
instructional?
audible. I have muted all the participants. There is 300 participants. I have muted all. You can
Oh.
unmute whomever you want to unmute.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. And this is instructional technology. You can ask me, sir, what is the use of this instructional technology? Why we have to learn this? The objective is that to get better teacher and better learners. Let me talk about this. Objective of this instructional technology is to produce best teacher and to develop better learners. We are the teachers. Everyone will be having ambition to become a best teacher in your institution. So, best teacher बनाने के लिए क्या करना है? But better learner develop करने के लिए क्या करना है? So, in this lecture, we will learn how to produce best teachers from an institute, how to develop better learners in an institute. This is our foremost objective. And before that, I introduce myself. I'm Janardhanam, working as a training officer in NSTI Chennai. I did diploma in electrical and electronics engineering and a BE in electronics and communication engineering and ME in communication networking, presently pursuing PhD in the field of image processing. Just to read out this. I'll short this document and video will be available to you. You can read around. Instructional technology is nothing but a systematic process. Everyone knows that you cannot get 10th pass directly from a first standard. First, you have to get pass on first standard and second standard, third standard, fourth standard, and so on. You can reach to 10th standard. Similarly, when you want to take a class for your class that is going to happen on tomorrow, for tomorrow's class, what you have to do today. That is what we are going to learn from this instructional technology. Before taking the class, what we should prepare. This is what this instructional technology is teaching us. Instructional technology is nothing but a systematic process, step-by-step process. We have to go step by step. Then only our class will be delivered in an efficient manner students are also able to listen and learn something out of it. Otherwise, our class will go as useless. Only 10% of your effective class will be utilized. Statistics says that without instructional technology, if you teach, only 10% of your efforts will be utilized by the students or trainees. So what is this systematic process, sir? For every instructions, every classes, you have to adapt any one instructional methods. There are so many methods available in the practice. The common practices are basic model, instructional model, the famous model, ADDIE model, and the Deakin Carey model. So the Deakin Carey model, ADDIE model, basic models prescribed by the our DG syllabus, NIMI syllabus, so we can very well adapt those models. If you want to take a class, yes. Again, I'll come to the objective part. What is हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है, sir? You can ask me question. Sir, instruction technology का उद्देश्य, main उद्देश्य क्या है, sir? To produce best teacher and to develop better learners. This is what our objective. हमारा उद्देश्य दो है. एक, to produce best teacher. दूसरा, to develop better learners. समझ गया? Okay. Sir, इंस्ट्रक्शनल टेक्नोलॉजी बनाने के लिए, प्रयोग करने के लिए क्या करना है, सर? What to do, sir? You can ask me again. You have to follow those instructions. Use instructional tools and the प्रयोग or use systematic approach. दो काम करना है. एक, use प्रयोग instructional tools and दूसरा follow systematic approach. Clear? समझ गया? Come on boys. हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है? दो है. To produce best teacher and to develop better learners. Right? And क्या करना है, सर? इंस्ट्रक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी प्रयोग करने के लिए क्या करना है, सर? दो काम करना है. You have to do two works before taking the class. Use instructional tools and follow systematic approach. Next, sir, instructional tools मतलब क्या है, sir? You can ask question. Sir, instructional tools मतलब क्या है, sir? What are called as instructional tools? Instructional tools मतलब सभी सामान आपका क्लास का अंदर रख दिया ना. For an example, black and white board, chalk piece, marker, computer, multimedia projector, chart, lesson plan, and mic, audio system. These are all called as instructional tools. If you are going to take a class, you have to comfortable with use of these tools, instructional tools. समझ गया? So class, आपका क्लास बनाने के लिए पहले क्या करना है? इंस्ट्रक्शनल टूल्स प्रयोग करना है. इंस्ट्रक्शनल टूल्स मतलब क्या है, सर? What are the materials available inside the class? Those are called as instructional tools. I have given only 5 examples. Black and white board, either one you can use according to your requirement. If you want a blackboard, you can very well use it. If you want a whiteboard, you can use it. Marker, chalk piece, computer and multimedia projector, chart, diagrams दिखाने के लिए chart बनाना है, and lesson plan होना चाहिए. Perfect class बनाने के लिए चार्ट लेसन प्लान होना चाहिए। Then already I told, if you want to take a class, very good class, you have to do two works. One is use instructional tools, another one is follow systematic approach. Here in this diagram, I'm just showing you basic model for instructions, basic model. I told that you have to use instructional tools, and second one is you have to follow systematic approach. And this is the systematic approach. This diagram shows a basic systematic approach for instructional technology. You have to start with the design, then development, utilization, management, and evaluation. So for instructional technology, if you want to prayog instructional technology, 5 steps follow करना है, 5 steps follow करना है। इधर देखिए 5 steps: design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation. Come on, trainees, make a note of it. Basic steps for taking class. In the next class, we will discuss about advanced models like ADDIE model and Dick and Carey model. You will get a lot of information from it. Right now, at present, you try to learn basic model by which how to deliver your class efficiently. Best teacher बनाने के लिए, efficient instruction के लिए 5 steps follow करना है। इधर देखिए 5 steps होते हैं। First design, second development, third utilization, fourth management, fifth evaluation. Let us discuss one by one in the forthcoming slides. So again, for taking class, what you have to do, you have to follow 5 steps: design, develop, utilization, management, and evaluation. Now I am getting voice from students. What is design, sir? What is development, sir? What is utilization, sir? Around, we'll discuss. इधर देखिए डिजाइन। सर द डिजाइन का अंदर क्या करना है सर? डिजाइन मतलब क्या है सर? What are the steps we have to follow for design, sir? Come on, trainees. First of all, you have to understand that if you want to take a class, best teacher होना चाहिए। मतलब क्या करना है? You have to follow 5 steps. Right now, before taking class, yeah, I'll teach utilization and all, no problem. Don't waste your time on chatting with the messages. Come on, finally we will discuss for questionnaires. In the design step, what we have to do, collect instructional tools, collect or ensure availability of instructional tools. For an example, whiteboard, marker, blackboard, chalk piece, computer, PowerPoint projector, मल्टीमीडिया सिस्टम्स फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए. फर्स्ट ensure, otherwise collect these materials for presentation purpose. Next, क्या करना है सर? One day before your class, you have to do choose title of your class. Which topic you are going to take tomorrow? Fix today itself or 1 or 2 days before itself. Don't go to the class hurry. Don't waste your time and students' time. Without preparation, don't go to the class and don't spoil students' time and your time. So 1 or 2 days before, choose the title of your class, which topic you are going to take. Next, fix the time duration of your class. Example, 45 minutes. कितना टाइम लगेगा क्लास पढ़ाने के लिए? आपका क्लास पढ़ाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? फिक्स करो. Fix the time duration, either 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or 50 minutes, 1 hour. Fix it. Next, refer prescribed or standard reference materials. For an example, Nimi book, Bharat Skills materials. You can refer prescribed materials or standard reference materials for your topic. Which topic you are going to present? For an example, hardware components of a computer. For that topic, you refer standard book or prescribed materials like Nimi books. And then design rough lesson plan. Rough lesson plan होना चाहिए. Prepare करना है. Rough lesson plan का अंदर क्या है sir? You can ask question. What should be there in the rough lesson plan? Aim, working principle of particular topic, construction of the topic or construction of the object, applications of the present applications of those topic, advantages and disadvantages. These informations collect करो. समझ गया? देखिए, नोट करो. डिजाइन का अंदर क्या करना है? कलेक्ट और इंश्योर इंस्ट्रक्शनल टूल्स. इंस्ट्रक्शनल टूल्स मतलब आपका व्हाइट बोर्ड, मार्कर और कंप्यूटर, प्रोजेक्टर सिस्टम and multimedia system, audio system for effective class. You check whether those components available in your class or not. Before going to take a class, you ensure availability of all these components. Next, choose your topic, on which topic you are going to take your class. किस टॉपिक पढ़ाना है? कल का क्लास पढ़ाने के लिए किस टॉपिक फिक्स करना है? चूज करो. बाद में कितना टाइम लगेगा पढ़ाने के लिए? फिक्स करो. And design rough lesson plan. I'll go to the next topic, development. This is very, very important before going to take a class. What you have to do, everyone should have a fair lesson plan before going to take a class. What is fair lesson plan, sir? Take a neat A4 size sheets and the fair manner you write what is the aim, object, आपका टाइटल का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, आपका टॉपिक का वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल क्या है, कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होता है, कितना पार्ट्स होते हैं, पार्ट्स का नेम क्या है, डायग्राम दिखाया के लिए चार्ट बनाओ, prepare a chart for single class, prepare a fair lesson plan, and develop PPT if required. If you want to deliver effective class, prepare PPT if required. And to show the diagrams, chart banao. And prepare prototype. For an example, if you are going to take a class on computer, try to take one computer to your class. Show them this is keyboard, this is mouse, this is CPU, this is monitor, like that. If you are taking class on television, you try to take a small television to the class. This is picture tube, this is a control board, this is power board, right? This is volume knob, this is tuner, like that. You show students. One prototype is required for effective class. Effective class padane ke liye prototype is required, model is required. For an example, induction motor, stator, rotor, capacitors, take them into the class, small sizes, take them into the class. Otherwise, some videos, some pictures, take to the class. समझ गया? So development का अंदर क्या करना है? Convert your rough lesson plan into fair lesson plan. Develop PPT if required. PPT material if required. Prepare chart for diagrams. Design or take available prototype for the topic. Example, while taking class on computer, try to carry computer to the class. Will be effective. Definitely effective. समझ गया? I hope you all understand. Shall I go to the next topic? Utilization. Next topic is utilization. So utilization is at the time of taking class. So for taking class, you can divide into two groups. Before taking class or during taking class. Before taking class, two steps follow करना है. Design development. While taking classes, during presentation, पढ़ाने के लिए दो steps follow करना है. Utilization and management. After your class, you have to follow evaluation. आपको पता है ना, 5 steps follow करना है. 2 steps पहले, 2 steps during class, 1 step बाद में. Utilization मतलब प्रयोग सभी instructional tools. Use all your instructional tools. For an example, project multimedia projector system, whiteboard marker, audio system, right? And use any one instructional model. This is very, very must. Come on, boys. Come on, my dear friends. If you want to take a class, definitely you must follow any one model. Without following the model, you don't go for the class. It's my kind advice. Will not be effective. Either it may be a basic model or advanced model like a ADDIE model and Dick and Carey model. And a Prayog developed materials inside the class. During the presentation, Prayog instructional tools, Prayog instructional model, basic model, and use Prayog developed materials. So what you have developed during the development step. समझ गया? Management. This is here you have to apply your presence of mind. आपका क्लास कैसे बनाना है आपको पता है. You have to realize, you have to live at this moment. You have to understand the level of the students. Accordingly, you have to take the class. You have to prepare the materials. If the level of the students high, you have to develop accordingly. You have to prepare materials accordingly. If your students' level is low, you study them, then use your materials according to that. So management मतलब आपका क्लास कैसे पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है with materials. Fair lesson plan, PPT, chart कैसे बनाना है. Students का question, if students are asking questions, कैसे answer करना है. Right? Yes. कैसे answer करना है. So you have to introduce yourself. You have to ask before taking class. You have to ask some questions to the students about last class ko topic. You have to ask some questions. Based on their answers, you have to understand their level of understanding, and according to that, you have to tune yourself. You have to ask more questions to the students before starting the class. And from the answers, you have to understand the level of the students. Then present your class. You have to realize chart कैसे प्रयोग करना है, PPT कैसे प्रयोग करना है. Which one is first? किस टॉपिक बोर्ड पर लिखना है, किस कंटेंट फॉर्मूला व्हाइट बोर्ड पर लिखना पड़ेगा. Right? So it's all your management capacity. So this is depends on the situation you have to act. Next. So what we are doing actually while taking the class, after completing our class, what we will be doing actually, we will be leaving the class immediately. Is it or not? After your class is over, we will be leaving the class immediately. We should not do that. what we should do actually, we have to check knowledge of the students. Knowledge of the students. After completing your class, स्टूडेंट का नॉलेज चेक करना पड़ेगा, स्टूडेंट्स का नॉलेज चेक करना पड़ेगा। कैसे चेक करना है स्टूडेंट्स का नॉलेज? फॉर एन एग्जांपल 1 hour क्लास, you complete your class within a 45 minutes. Next 15 minutes you interact with the students, ask questions, check their knowledge, whether they understand the particular topic or not, whether they acquired some knowledge from your lecture or not. It's your duty, your responsibility. You have to check whether the students learned or not. If they don't, your class is meaningless. Definitely your class is meaningless. So it's your duty and responsibility, check knowledge of the students. Sir, कैसे check करना है? Questions पूछो or conduct test. Ask questions to the students from your topic, what you have covered in the first 45 minutes. Ask some questions to the students. For an example, what is design? Design मतलब क्या है? Question पूछो. Right? Development मतलब क्या है? Ask questions. Utilization मतलब क्या है? Utilization मतलब प्रयोग. Management मतलब कैसे प्रयोग करना है? सभी मटेरियल्स कैसे प्रयोग करना है? Check knowledge of the students. And after 5 minutes, ask them to write post-test, post-lecture test. After completing your lecture or instructions, ask them to write a test. Ask 10 questions. Evaluate their answer sheets. Out of 10 questions, how many questions they were answered? It's very, very must. Immediately correct and give them. Don't ask multiple questions, 50 questions, 60 questions like that. Even you can't find to evaluate all those 60 questions, correct all those 60 questions. Questions पूछना है, right? Otherwise, conduct a test. 5 or 10 questions, simple questions, ask them. You can come to understand whether they understand or not. And if, for an example, if one student, one trainee answered for 5 questions correct, 5 questions wrong, 5 questions wrong होते हैं, क्या करना पड़ेगा? All wrong questions, wrong answers, you have to give them a right answer in a bracket. You must do it. Even if you don't know, no problem. Refer a book and give a right answer in his answer paper. This is what is called as evaluation. And after evaluation, you can have a database. So what are the students are good? What are the students are above average? What are the students are average, below average, like that? You concentrate on below average and average students more. Your pass percentage will increase. Definitely, you will become as the best teacher in your institution. And next, क्या करना है सर? After evaluation, क्या करना है सर? Keep calm for 1 minute. ask your students discuss with their neighbors. Neighbors means their friends, adjacent, left side, right side, front, back. Ask them to discuss about your class. 45 minutes topic, na? All contents they have to discuss with their neighbors, friends. 5 minutes with their own language. Definitely this will give lot of information to them. If one student missed some content, they will get from their friends. For an example, I'm a student. I missed a 1 minute content from my teacher. If I discuss with the neighbors, definitely I'll get answer for it. Please, you must being teacher, is it audible now? Yeah, thank you. So that what we have to do, you have to check knowledge of the students. Later, you have to ask your students, discuss with their neighbors about what the topic you have covered on that day. 45 minutes content, na? Those contents they have to discuss. For an example, हमारा आज का टॉपिक क्या है? इंस्ट्रक्शनल टेक्नोलॉजी. इंस्ट्रक्शनल टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब क्या है सर? इंस्ट्रक्शनल टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर. हमारा क्लास पढ़ाने के लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है. सभी समझ करना है, सभी लोग समझ करना है. So ask them to discuss with their neighbors. Definitely this will give you the better result. Right now? Now it's the time for winding up about this class. So I have a lot more to talk about instructional technology. I want to discuss with you ADDIE model and advanced models like ADDIE model and Dick and Carey model. I think coming Wednesday, I'm going to take ADDIE model, and Friday, Dick and Carey model. Coming Thursday, 4 p.m., I'm going to talk about advanced model, ADDIE model. And coming Friday, I'm going to discuss Dick and Carey model. Now, if any student want to ask questions, you can mail me. If any students want to ask any question, you can ask. Yeah, sure. I will share this PPT and video to everyone. I'll share my mail ID now here. Note down my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9677 600 368. Again, I will repeat 9677 600 368. Yes, good. This is my WhatsApp number. If you come online, you just introduce yourself that I want your PPT like that. Surely, I'll share this PPT. Thank you. Once again, I thank you, Nimi, Director Dingra sir, Herman sir, DG madam and DGT and other staffs for supporting this webinar or virtual class. This has to be continued in the future also. And tomorrow I am going to take class on sensors. Basic
Thank
sensors.
you very much, Janardhan ji, for your kind cooperation. Should I open the forum for question answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am opening, unmuting all the students for question answer.
Yes, sir.
यूनिट अपने को तो हार्ट अटैक वाला लोग ने देख के बताओ हम
What is construction material?
जूम पे फिर पे वो रजिस्ट्रेशन पहला अपन
जो भी क्लास है उनको लेने से पहले एक दिन पहले बता दिया जाए
स्टूडेंट से जीमेल ऐड के लिए वो ना
सर ने नंबर बताया था अपना वो नंबर भेजना मेरे पास तो मैं नोट
It is
किया
noisy actually. Get your clear question.
Question.
In the board,
So I am ending this meeting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is not audible. It is not clear.